Hey there guys, this is Eric from JC Sweet & Co. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use your WordPress website's contact form and also how to download that contact form to use in Excel or any other thing, bringing it into MailChimp, wherever you want to be using to contact your customers. So if we're going to your contact page on your website, today I'm using Insight Studio's website as an example, you're going to have a couple of different custom forms. One on your contact page is going to have something like name, email, phone, how can we help you, and anything else that you might need to contact them. Some websites will also have one on the bottom too. This is known as your footer contact page. So when you fill this out, you're just going to put your information in. Now you may wonder where this goes. So what you're going to want to do is log on to the back of your website. Once you're on there, you're going to be on the dashboard page. And you're going to go down to Forms. You click on the Forms tab. As you can see, there's two different ones acting on the website right now. There's that footer one, which was on the bottom, just the name and the contact. And there's the main one, which is the one that's actually on your contact page of your website. So when you click on this, it's going to show you all the different fields that you're using. That's great if you ever want to add a field, change something, change the way it's worded. And to see the actual entries, you're just going to click Entries right here. And now you can see all the different names and information from the people. All of these ones are test ones, so don't worry, I'm not afraid for anyone to contact these if you're watching the video. But this is just showing anyone who fills out that form all the information that you can use for that. So what you're going to want to do is go to Import or Export. You can select which form you want to have downloaded. So if I only have the main one so far, I'm going to select this guy. And you can choose which entries you actually want to be added to the file. So I'm going to select all of them. You can also choose a date range too. So if you're trying to just get the ones from the month, you can go right into there. Makes it nice and simple. And then as soon as you make those choices, you're going to click Download Export File. And as you can see, it popped up right here as a CSV. So when I click this, Excel will open up. And there is all the information I got. So any of the forms that are able to be copied over to Excel are already in there. It makes it nice and easy if you want to take that mailing list, bring it into MailChimp. If you just want to have a good file of all your different customers and their information, then you have it right there. So that is how you get all of your contact information from your WordPress website. If you guys have any questions, feel free to contact us on the form below. Thank you.